In the year 2048, the line between the physical and the digital world has almost disappeared. People no longer just visit the internet, they live inside it. Our story follows Rin Park, a young architect who moves to Elysium 1, the world's first fully realized metaverse city. When she puts on her haptic suit and neural visor for the first time, reality dissolves into light. Skyscrapers float in the sky, streets shimmer with neon code, and digital birds sing data instead of notes. A voice welcomes her. Welcome to Elysium 1, where imagination builds reality. Rin's job is to design virtual homes for real people who work, study, and socialize inside the metaverse. Every apartment she builds can shift shape. Today a forest villa, tomorrow a cloud palace. She calls it architecture of dreams. First, she's amazed. People teleport to work, attend concerts from any country, and eat digital meals that stimulate taste through neural signals. But soon she notices something strange. Behind the perfect smiles, many citizens look empty when they remove their visors. Rin starts keeping an English journal to describe her feelings. Elysium is beautiful but lonely. You can meet thousands of people and still feel unseen. She practices new phrases like virtual identity, synthetic experience, to lose touch with reality. Through language, she explores not just a new world, but also new emotions that no dictionary fully defines. Weeks pass. Rin becomes famous for designing emotional spaces, places that respond to human mood. A client walks in, sad, and the walls bloom with warm colors. Another feels stressed, and gravity softens underfoot. Her best friend, Leo, works as a teacher in the metaverse. His students come from different continents, learning English through holographic adventures. Here, he says, education has no borders. Yet Rin senses a darker side. Some citizens forget to log out. Their bodies in the real world grow weak, while their avatars stay young and perfect. A new word trends online: meta-dependence. During one design meeting, Leo confides, "Sometimes I wake up and can't tell which world is real." Rin replies quietly, "Maybe both are, or neither." She begins to question her purpose. Is she helping people live their best lives or escape their real ones? To express these doubts, she studies advanced English structures, conditionals, contrasts, and modal verbs. If reality feels empty, people might fill it with illusion. Should we control technology, or let it redefine what living means? Through language, she finds balance between logic and feeling. The metaverse becomes her classroom, and every sentence becomes a mirror. One evening, while testing a new skyline design, she programs an artificial sunset. As the digital horizon glows, she whispers, "Maybe the metaverse isn't fake. Maybe it's just another version of us." Months later, a sudden system crash shuts down half the city. Screens go dark, avatars vanish, and silence replaces the usual hum of data. Rin removes her visor and looks around her physical apartment. Dusty, quiet, real. For the first time in years, She hears wind instead of code. The company orders engineers to reboot the city, but Rin hesitates. She visits Leo in person. They meet awkwardly, unsure how to interact without filters and floating emojis. Then they laugh, a genuine human sound that feels new again. They walk outside. The real sky looks smaller than the Metaverse one, yet it feels deeper. Rin says, maybe the Metaverse taught us to dream, but dreams only matter when we wake up. After the city reboots, she returns, but differently. She now designs bridges between realities. Parks where physical trees are mapped into virtual gardens. Classrooms where students use both voice and presence. Her new motto, technology should expand life, not replace it. Her English lessons continue, full of meaningful words. Authenticity, empathy, consciousness, coexistence. She teaches others how to express both awe and awareness in English, how to describe beauty without losing truth. In her final journal entry, Rin writes, "The Metaverse city was never about escaping the world. It was about finding new ways to understand it." As she logs out one evening, her reflection appears on the dark screen, half virtual, half real. She smiles. Maybe being human means living in both worlds and learning the language that connects them.